Did you know you can get Adobe Express Premium free for 3 months through an official offer? If you create design, social media post or marketing content, then this video is for you. I'll show you how to claim 3 month Adobe Express Premium using the official offer. No hack, no fake misleading claim, just a clear, honest guide and easy to follow. Let's start the video.
TechPolestar is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit techpolestar.com today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.
Here you can see this is the magic link. From this link you will receive 3 month Adobe Express in a completely free. Here you can see due now and due date 13 July 2026. So I already created a video about almost 1 month ago or 2-3 weeks. Here you can see Creative Cloud free for 4 months 3 weeks ago. And please do subscribe to my YouTube channel to watch such useful content. So simply go to this link. I will give this link in this video description and in a comment box also. And for premium private content that is not available on YouTube and few things I can't discuss publicly, join our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel. Links are in this video description. After visit this link, simply type here your email address, then click on this continue button. Then you need to fill your card detail. If you don't have a card, then you know what to do. After fill your card, click on this start free trial. Here you can see thank you viewers for your free trial successfully, and here you can see the summary, payment detail, order number, confirmation email and payment method, and you will be charged 99.80 on 13 July 2026. So you need to create a password. Click on this create my password. Now you need to choose a strong password. Click on this complete account. You can simply ignore this, close this page. Here you can see let's visit our profile icon to check subscription. Here you can see 250 credit. Let's go to your member benefit. By this way you can create Adobe Express account free for 3 months. So please visit my WhatsApp group and Telegram channel. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the 𝐓𝐰𝐢𝐭𝐴 YouTube channel for more simple, honest and free deal like this. Hit the like button and turn on bell so you never miss an update. And for even better deal and detailed guide, make sure to visit techpolestar.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.